Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I'll show you how to convert currency in Excel using two easy methods. For the first method, we'll use Excel's built-in currencies data type. First, type the currency pair you want to use in a blank cell. For example, type USD/EUR if you want to convert US dollars to euros. Select that cell. Go to the Data tab. Click Currencies. Excel will convert the text into a linked currency data type. Now click the Insert Data button next to the cell. Choose Price. This gives you the current exchange rate. Next, go to the Result column. Type equals the original amount cell times the exchange rate cell. Press F4 to lock the exchange rate cell as an absolute reference. Press Enter. Now double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down and convert the rest of the amounts. Note that this method is mainly available in Excel for Microsoft 365. If you cannot see the Currencies button, or if Excel cannot convert the currency pair correctly, you can use the following Kutools method instead. With Kutools for Excel, you can convert currencies by choosing the original and target currencies. Here, I want to keep the original amounts, so I'll copy this column to the next column first. With the copied amount cells selected, go to the Kutools tab. Click Conversion. Then click Currency Conversion. In the Currency Conversion window, choose the original currency in the From box. Choose the target currency in the To box. Click Update Rate to get the latest exchange rate. You can also manually edit the rate. Expand the options if you want to set decimal places or choose where to place the result. Check the preview. Then click Apply or OK. The selected values are converted immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.